Assalamu alaikum, grade 3 students. How are you all? That's great. Okay, so students, you know that nowadays we are studying a chapter sound in our science class. And yesterday we have completed an activity related with group discussion. I hope that you already submitted your home assignment to your science teachers. So grade 3 students, if you are ready, so I want to start our today's science class and our chapter name is sound. So grade 3 students, are you ready for today's class? Okay, good. So I'm going to open your Butterfly Science grade 3 book, and at page number 76 we have today's activity, and after group discussion now we have question making section. And you know this section is always very interesting because I make some tricky questions, and after my question making you have to add some more question. So question making is always a fun. So let's see what kind of question I will make from the chapter sound. And the activity is make some tricky questions from this chapter and ask your classmates or family members to answer them. So grade 3 students, now we have to make some tricky question from the chapter sound. So I'm going to give you my first tricky question. So my first tricky question is, what are some types of sound? Name at least 5 of them. Grade 3 student, my next tricky question is, why do rabbits hear the sounds quickly than many other animals? My tricky question number 3, why we cannot hear anything in space? My next question is question number 4, how do we hear a sound? And my last and 5th question is, how loud sounds can affect us? So here are my tricky questions. I am going to repeat all the questions again. My first question is, what are some types of sound? Name at least 5 of them. Number 2, why do rabbits hear the sounds quickly than many other animals? My question number 3, why we cannot hear anything in space? My question number 4 is, how do we hear a sound? And my last and question number 5 is, how loud sounds can affect us? So grade 3 students, these are my tricky questions from the chapter sound. Now I am going to tell you about your home task or your home assignment. So grade 3 students, your home assignment is that you have to listen and watch this video 2 to 3 times, and then you have to write all the questions in your copies. And grade 3 students, these are 5 questions. Now you have to add at least 2 more questions in this section. So total you have to send 7 questions to your science teachers. 5 questions I have given you, and you have to add 2 more questions in this section. And grade 3 students, you know that question making is a great skill. So be ready for your home assignment, and after completing this home assignment, send it to your teachers. Allah Hafiz.